If you sell physical products online, then you would know that it's important to sell what people want to buy or to find hot selling products that people want to buy. My name is Goodnoel, and for more than 5 years now, I've been selling physical products online. And in this video, I want to show you exactly how you can find the most selling products or hot product, physical products that you can sell. So this can be for your dropshipping, your Amazon, or anyhow you basically sell this product. So the platform I want to use for this is aliexpress.com, and AliExpress is a very popular e-commerce website, and we are going to use it to find products that people want to buy. We'll find the hot selling product or the best selling product, and the reason why these products do well is because people have gotten them and people have tested them, people trust them, people see that they work. And your success with e-commerce or physical product selling is going to depend on the kind of product you sell. So it's important to sell products that works. So for instance, we come to aliexpress.com, and again, this is an e-commerce website and it's very popular globally. So if you come here, you want to search for what you the product that you want to sell or your niche. Let's say, for instance, we are in the personal care niche and we are looking for products that will help people with their personal care or their appearances. So let's say, for instance, I'm going to use acne products for this video. So I'm going to come to the search bar here and I'm going to search for, let's say, acne, and as I search, I'm going to see some other things that people have been searching for. So you can see acne pimples patch, acne remover, acne scar remover, acne remover screen cream, acne tool, acne face cream, acne treatment cream. So let's say we're looking for this acne scar remover cream, so we can click on that and it's going to give us products that are in these niches. So you just have to do the same thing with your own niche. Let's say if you are let's say shoes, let's say anything basically. So as you can see, we have some options right here. We have some options from aliexpress.com. so we have different kind of products right here that matches the search that we just used. So we want to come at the top here and we want to set them. As you can see here, it's set by the best match. All right, and we also set this by orders. All right, so we want to find those with the highest number of orders, because this is how you know the best selling ones. So as you can see, this one has sold more than 1,000 plus, this one 900 plus, 500 plus. So you can do this again to see the hierarchy of the orders that they are getting. So this one is 500 plus, this one is 470, this one 340, 350, 366, 303, 271. So they've been ranked based on the ones that has gotten the highest orders so far. So you can basically go through to see the different ones here. But before you do that, you can come here and you want to select the type of the prices here. So you can come here and you can select the prices that you want. All right, let's say if you want to buy products that are under $3 or $8 or $10 and above. So we have these different ones here, but if I log in, I'll be able to see the reviews. So I want to log in so that I can see the reviews. So it's important for you to make an account so that you can log in and see the reviews. So now we can see all of the top products right here. So this one says is a fast car remover cream. So it has sold more than 1,000 plus, and it has at least 4.5 star reviews. This one too 900 plus, 4.5 star. This one 4.5 star, 500 plus. And looking at this, you can see that all these products, they all look similar. They appear to be the same product, and this gives you an idea of this product. So you can see again, these are similar products basically sold by different sellers. So this one to 4.5, 4.5, 4.5, and then this one also 4.5. So this one is a herbal acne treatment face cream. So this one to 4.5, 4.5. So all the products you find here are products with the highest orders and highest reviews. So you want to open each of them and go through the ratings to find hear what people say about it, or see what people are saying about it, and then you know that these products are best selling. So this is the simple way you can use AliExpress to find best selling products or hot selling products that you can sell online at any time. I hope this video has helped you, and if it did, please like the video, subscribe, and if you want to do e-commerce properly, you can check the first link in the description of this video. It's going to take you to a one-on-one program that I have created for people who want to do e-commerce successfully. So until next time, my name is Goodnoel. I'll see you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.